What if I told you I made this amazing breakfast in my air fryer? Potatoes, peppers and onions, crispy bacon, breakfast sausage, and 2 perfect runny eggs. I'm starting with a few small gold potatoes cut into about half-inch cubes. I'm seasoning them with salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and just enough oil to lightly coat everything. My air fryer is preheated to 400 degrees and the potatoes are going in first for 10 minutes. While those cook, I'm chopping up some bell pepper and onion along with a couple strips of bacon. I'll season the peppers and onions with salt and pepper and then just a little drizzle of oil and we're ready for round 2. After 10 minutes, give those potatoes a good shake. Then I'm moving them over to one side and putting the peppers and onions on the other side and putting the bacon right on top. Now throw in a couple breakfast sausage links. Back in the air fryer they go. 5 minutes later, give everything another good mix and flip the sausage. Now I'm making a little space right in the center for 2 empty oven-safe ramekins. Now let those ramekins heat up right alongside everything for about 5 minutes. Now drop an egg in each ramekin, and this is where you can make them however you want. Mine took about 5 minutes for that runny yolk I wanted. If you like yours more set, then go for 6. I'm taking the eggs out now, giving everything else one more stir and a few more minutes in the air fryer. I want those potatoes brown, the bacon crispy, and everything piping hot. And when everything's done, scoop it out of the basket. Don't just grab the basket and dump it because there's hot grease at the bottom. And look at that. Golden potatoes, crispy bacon, sausage, peppers, and onions, and when you break into that egg, come on. If you have an air fryer, you have to try this one. And let me know in the comments, runny yolk or fully set. Now hit that like and subscribe and check back every week for my next air fryer win.